Yes, I'm Abby from Focus. Today I will be using our UV single pass printer to print on a variety of non-woven bag styles. We have tall and slender ones, wider ones and flat ones. Let's get started.
The industrial printer we are using today is our Akalef Negative 891SE UV single pass printer, our entry-level model featuring a Seco printhead solution. The entire printer utilizes laser cutting technology to ensure mechanical precision and stability. A 60 centimeters ultra-wide Italian imported printing grade conveyor belt enables high precision printing on materials of varying widths. Crease test. Rub test. Friction test.
Welcome to Inkwell. Fox print, nice.